Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to find Scan and Go on the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use Scan and Go at the Walmart app with the Walmart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, Scan and Go is basically going to make it easy for you to shop where you could actually just pick up an item, scan it, and then go ahead and place it in your bag and then pay for it on your phone. In order to access it, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner, then click on the gear icon on the upper right hand corner, then click on Wallet, and then scroll down, and then you're going to see Tools to Shop in Store. Go ahead and click on Scan and Go. So this is where you're going to be able to go ahead and scan items, bag as you go, pay with your phone, and get your exit pass. And there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find the Scan and Go on the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.